VN number 1G6 wheelbase 6, wheelbase convey 2.5 inches. Got it. Track width and GAUR next, marking the cross member now. The new Cadillac base vehicle is here.
Perfect. Let's begin the conversion.
Agreed. This will be the Gold Cadillac Limousine.
$1 million project.
Okay, let's get this chassis secured. Ready on the lifts? Ready? Engaging now? Good. Keep it steady. We're checking structural integrity for the Gold Limo build. Alignment is perfect. Lifts are locked. The Cadillac body is carefully separated at designated structural cut points for the stretch conversion of the $1 million Gold Cadillac Limousine. Aligning the reinforced section now. Ready to tack it? Tacking complete. Proceed with the full weld. Weld integrity confirmed. This Cadillac is one solid machine. Structural cross members are installed to maintain torsional rigidity in the $1 billion Gold Cadillac Limousine. Let's check this reinforced seam. It's critical. Ready. The readings look stable. Scanning now. Depth is good. Confirmed. No anomalies. Excellent. Next joint. Time to upgrade this suspension for the Gold Cadillac. These heavy-duty parts will handle the weight. Installation is precise and secure. Upgrade complete. Ready for the road. For the Gold Cadillac, we're building custom driveshaft extensions. First, precision machining on the lathe to spec. Now, balancing for zero vibration. Finally, integrating them into the drivetrain. Applying the advanced corrosion-resistant coating now. Right, I'll follow with the brush for the details. Perfect, this ensures maximum protection. Coverage is excellent. This Gold Cadillac is set. Electrical wiring harness extensions are custom built for the interior systems of the $1 billion Gold Cadillac Limousine. Each harness is meticulously assembled and integrated to ensure flawless performance. Beginning side panel fabrication to match the factory contours. Shape the curve here to align with body line. Perfect. Now check the alignment against the door. Grinding down these seams to get that perfect finish. Looks good. Ready for the polish? Yeah, let's make it shine. Coming together nicely. The gold details on this limousine are created through electroplating. Base metal parts are submerged in a gold solution. An electric current bonds the gold. The result is exquisite detailing. Per client specs, measuring the rear window for bullet-resistant glass. This is level 3 protection. It stops high-velocity rifle rounds. Now, installing the panel into the Cadillac. Securing it now. The fit is perfect. Careful, let's align the top edge. Got it. Bring it in now. Perfect. Now lock the hinges. Alignment is spot on. Perfect fit. This brace will add the rigidity we need for the luxury cabin. Securing this joint now. That's one more section reinforced. Premium leather upholstery is cut and stitched for seating in the $1 million Gold Cadillac Limousine. Each piece is precisely shaped and stitched by hand, ensuring the highest quality for this symbol of unparalleled luxury. Integrated entertainment systems are wired within the $1,000 Gold Cadillac Limousine cabin. This delivers a truly connected, first-class experience on the move. In a specialized workshop, artisans craft custom cabinetry for the world's most luxurious limousine. Every detail is precision engineered for the Gold Cadillac Limousine. The result is a seamless blend of functionality and opulent design. All right, lifting the first unit into place now. Got it steady. Go ahead. Securing with the drill. Check the alignment. Final connections. Looks solid. This partition system separates the driver from the passengers. The driver's door provides complete privacy. The passenger window allows for controlled interaction. Unrolling the carpet now, checking the alignment, cutting it precisely to fit the curve, placing the acoustic panel now. Perfect fit. Align the insert with the edge here. Got it. Securing with the clamp. Look straight. Go ahead and tighten. Tightened. Next section. Custom ambient lighting controls are programmed for the $1 million zine. The system allows for tinted adjustments, transforming the interior into a personalized sanctuary of light. Let's get the chrome base on first. Got the gold trim ready here. Perfect alignment. Now secure it. Tightening now. Looks flawless. Custom wheels rated for the vehicle weight are mounted onto the $1 million Gold Cadillac Limousine. The suspension height and alignment are calibrated for the $1 million Gold Cadillac Limousine. Commencing full system diagnostics on the Gold Cadillac Limousine. Engine control module is green, battery is optimal. Sensors and network are clear. Now testing infotainment. All systems are fully operational. Inside the Gold Cadillac, we test the climate system. Digital screens show real-time temperature and airflow data. Adjusting the controls, air flows from the vents. The system maintains a perfect, luxurious environment. Let's run the initial frequency sweep.
Running sweep, levels are fluctuating.
Adjust the EQ on the low end.
Adjusting, that's flatten the curve.
Perfect. Save the profile. We begin with the ceiling LED strips activating in a smooth blue wave. Now, change your red spots, add focus beams, enhancing the cabin's depth. Finally, ambient lights complete the luxurious atmosphere. Let's adjust the hinges for a precise fit. Right, the latch needs a slight tweak. Good, now for the final alignment. Perfect, a seamless close. Initiating weather seal inspection on the Cadillac. Testing the door seal integrity. Seal is secure, test passed. Finalizing inspection. Vehicle is secure. Brake performance testing begins for the $1,000 Gold Cadillac Limousine. Starting the engine performance checks. Torque on the main bolts is within spec, connecting the scanner for real-time data. Electricals are stable, all systems optimal. Commencing comprehensive structural inspection on the Gold Cadillac Limousine, examining the front frame joint for any signs of stress or fatigue. Rear section is clear, frame integrity is verified. Documenting, all checks passed. Paint thickness is measured on the Gold Limousine's side panel. The reading confirms a uniform, high-quality coating. Further checks on the door and hood ensure consistency. Electrical load testing confirms stability within the $1,000 Gold Cadillac Limousine systems. We're testing the sealing quality on this $1 million Gold Cadillac Limousine. Applying a high-pressure water spray to the seals. As you can see, the water beads and rolls off. No leaks. The $1 million Gold Cadillac Limousine is tested for durability. Its suspension endures extreme vibrations and impacts, pushing the limits of luxury engineering. We're analyzing the brake response data for the $1 million Gold Cadillac Limousine. The initial response time is an impressive 0.28% rating and minimal deviation. This data confirms its superior braking performance. Interior vibration levels are measured inside the $1 million Gold Cadillac Limousine. Advanced sensors ensure a vibration level of 0.02 millimeters RMS. The uniformity of this stitching is exceptional. Agreed, the tension is perfect, no puckering. The gold trim alignment is precise. The entire interior reflects superior craftsmanship. Glass alignment is perfect, flush with the body. Checking the seals now. Excellent. No leaks, perfect integrity. Flawless, a testament to its quality. Final diagnostic scan confirms error-free operation in the $1,000 Gold Cadillac Limousine. This final polish really makes the gold pop. Yeah, the chrome's gleaming. This is $1 million shine. Let's buff the rear panel now. Looks flawless. Job's done. Perfect. Let's step back. All right, team, let's get this cabin spotless.
On the floor now, vacuuming.
Good. I'll condition the leather. Ceiling panels are next. Excellent work, team.
Okay, finalizing the Gold Cadillac papers.
Right. Let's verify the certification value.
Confirmed. $1 million. Signing now. All set? Here you go.
Perfect. I'll file these. The final road test begins on this closed industrial track. The powerful engine and smooth ride demonstrate its engineering excellence. This limousine redefines luxury on wheels. The road test results are in. Acceleration and top speed are excellent.
Yes, the data shows 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds and a top speed of 180.
But fuel efficiency is only 15 mpg. Agreed. Let's review the handling data next.